Welcome to this video, which is all about adding multiples of 10 and counting in steps of 10. It also helps with subtraction, so it's just looking at how to add 10 or a multiple of 10 to any number. Another 10, 53, 63, 73, 83. So what do you notice has happened to our ones column here, our yellow column here? Yeah, that's right, nothing's happened, because when we add 10, nothing happens to the ones. Because if you think of the number 10, there's nothing in the ones column. It's only got one 10, and that's the same for any multiple of 10. That's a number that ends in a 0. Now we're going to add another 10 to take us to 93, and here's where it gets a bit tricky, because we're going to cross n. We go to 113, another one, 123, 133, and so on. So we can look at counting back now. So subtracting 10 each time, so we're at 133, we'll do our count all the way back to 23. So 133, take away 10, 123, subtract another 10, 113, minus another 10, 103, and here's where we're going to cross back over that hundreds boundary and subtract. So our 10 to our 23 that we started with. So we'll try another different number. So we'll put a few more ones on, put another 10 on to make 38. So 3 10s here, 8 ones here, and then we'll continue and start a count in 10. So here we go. So another 10 is 48, another 10 58, another 10 68, another 10 78, add 10 more is 88. Plus 10 is 98, and again now we're at that tricky. Okay, we can keep going and all the way up past 200, and you can see what happens. 158, 168, 178, 188, 198. Again, we get another 100. Okay, to make 208. Like so. So we'll just come back and go to 218 and start coming back, so you can see what happens. So 208. 198, 188, 178, 168, 158, 48, and back to our start number, which was 38. So this is a really good strategy for adding multiples of 10. So for example, if you had something like 44, add 40. So if we make 44 on here, add 40, we're going to add 4 lots of 10. So we're going to count in 10s 4 times. So you might put 4 10s up on your fingers and count in 10. So 54, 64, 74, 84, like that. So it's a really good strategy. You know those ones are not going to change 1, year 2, and into year 3. Think about some mental strategies for addition and subtraction. Good way to practice is to choose a start number and then count on 10 each time, and add 10, another 10, another 10, another 10, and continue those. If you can, if you're feeling really confident, try and cross the hundreds boundary as well. So start with a 2-digit number and just keep adding 10. So writing down a sequence in 10s. Okay, good luck.